when it comes to our treatment of animals, we will bend over backwards and create massive paper trails of regulations to feel good about what we are doing. We turn these living beings into data points, flowcharts, and percentages, calculate to a decimal point certainty the exact cost of every aspect of their lives and the details of their death. We relegate the annual mass murder of over 3 billion day-old conscious, innocent babies to a footnote in a study conducted for the welfare regulations we are so graciously creating. We deem them legally sentient, deserving freedom from hunger, thirst, discomfort, pain, injury, disease, fear, distress, and mental suffering as the EU did. And then we use this very recognition of their capacity to feel the same emotions and sensations as we do to design in language so disturbingly detached it is nothing short of sociopathic the exact manner in which we may legally violate, imprison, cut, burn, alter, and murder them. This is how profoundly illogical our thinking is when it comes to animals.
Truth won't prevail in this world unless people are speaking it into reality and acting upon it. Truth exists in our world, but it doesn't act on its own. It just exists. It only acts when it's brought into action by those who are mediums of truth, and that's us as activists. We speak the truth over and over, repeatedly, like a broken record, like a chorus that fills the environment, and then we act upon the truth by getting people to take action, by getting ourselves to take action, by going out into the streets and talking to people.